Hello. The lock I have for you today is a Schlage Primus. It's a high security lock. There's 6 key pins as well as 5 finger pins that interact with a sidebar. And the finger pins have to be rotated and slightly lifted in order to engage that sidebar and allow the plug to turn. It's a brand new lock. Typically these things don't have security pins in the top, but what makes them a high security lock is the difficulty of the sidebar. So let's see if we can get into this. I'll just be using a Peterson, what am I using now? Standard hook in 15 thousandths, a pry bar, and then a homemade pick for the side pins. It started out as a South Ord Euro Slimline. I think it was the mini diamond one, or the hook, the little triangle that I had thinned down significantly here, and then I put this very sharp tip here with a little indent on the front of it as well as the back of it, so I go in like this and I can grab and lift as I'm going out, or push and lift as I'm going in, and that seems to work out well. Okay. First I have to pick the top 6 pins and then go for the sidebar is what I typically do. I've only picked this thing once before, so we'll see if I can get it again. That was 3 and 2. That's 1. That was 5, 6, and 4. I think I have all the top ones picked. If you saw the slight turn on the core, now it's resting on the sidebar. Let me make sure. Yep, I think they're all picked. Okay. The only finger pin I think I'm sure about is this front one. I think it has to be pushed back. There's three angles. There's back, front, and then maybe just a straight out one. I'm not sure. Or there might just be a back and a front for these side pins. It's very hard to get a feel on these things. And there you go. It was the third finger pin. It's very hard to get a feel for those things when they set and when they don't. I thought I had actually one more to go, but I guess I didn't. Okay, I do have a key for it. As you see, it's picked. I'm going to lock it up. And we'll gut this thing. plug follower. Come on now, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna try to dump these pins while I'm holding the sidebar down. Okay, those are the key pins. And then I'm actually going to take the drivers out next. Yeah, these should be all standard. Crap. There we go. I got the spring and not the, there we go. Okay, that's all that, just springs, nothing peculiar about the core. Yeah, like I said, all standard key pins and drivers. Okay. This is the sidebar. As you see, intact, not filed down or anything. As well as the two springs. And then this is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and I don't know if you could tell all the springs are down in there. Got 3 sticking up, but oh yeah, I can't see. Anyway, here it is. 6 pins, 5 key pins. All intact, and the sidebar. That's all I have for you today on the Schlage Primus. Get yourself one. They're excellent locks to learn how to pick on. It'll take you a while, but once you get it, you're going to be very happy. If you liked the video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Alright, one thing I noticed when I was putting this back together, on the drivers, I think they have actually steel anti-drill inserts in the pins. I've never seen that before. Usually they'll put, they have, anti-drill right here, and then, 2 more on the bottom right here. But I've never seen them in the actual pins where they're actually on the inside of the pins. I don't know if you could tell the difference between the brass and the steel. I thought that was pretty cool. Thought I would mention that before I get out of here. Anyway, I'm done.